water has gone down probably, I'd say 8 to 10 inches since I was here on the 27th. Or 25th, I guess it was. So we've been doing flood watch for a week now, a little over a week. And it's still pretty high, but it's not as high as it was. It's definitely over the trails and covered a bunch of the bush out here, but it's still not completely flooded out. So here's the marker. The 1999 marker is still gone. So we've still got the 72, 48, and 1894 markers to beat. But the water is still pretty high. And we've got another crest to come this weekend. So I'll have to keep you posted. I'll come back down again on the weekend. You can have a look. But you can see the posts now in the road. They've come up a little bit more. Still flooded though. bckillick signing off. Again, June 28th. I've been corrected. I was thinking it was the 30th to the 28th. So I've still got a couple more days before the 30th, but you can see for sure that the river is still pretty high. Trail's still covered. Warning signs all over the place. So you can see by the bridge here, this is the Mission Train Bridge, how high the water really is. There's debris already catching at the sides of the bridge here. Yeah, it's all kind of stuck. Trees and stuff, the limbs have been taken down. This tree's washed right out of the shore, out of the bank. It's just fallen right over. Now it's sitting in the water. Isn't that amazing, eh? Yeah, it's really high.